Okay, so now you have seen that based on our model that we're gonna building and this playlist that you find yourself here in SolidWorks, uh, here in my YouTube channel, we already created the piston head. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the piston ring. Yeah, so the piston ring is gonna be, remember how on the piston head you had those three slots that we had, like the little cylinder cutouts. So it's gonna be fairly easy. So we should just do this one right off the bat. So you gotta remember how your sketch is starting. Okay, so the previous one for the piston head, we started on the top plane. So we're gonna go ahead and also go ahead and do this what's it called, piston ring in the top plane. I already converted my units to millimeters, grams, seconds. Okay, and a piston ring, well, just like a ring, is just basically two two circles. One way you can do it is by going ahead and getting one circle. Here, I'll show you both ways in this video, so it's going to be short. So, we'll dimension this. This is going to be the outermost circle, which is going to be 85 millimeters. Okay, and then we're going to box extrude this one. Do the features, extruded boss base, and this is going to be 4.3. I don't know if you recall, then the previous one we had a 4.3 slot. So you see, it's gonna be like this. And actually, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change color right off the bat here. That way it's gonna be easier to see what's happening. Appearances, metal. Let's see. Let's go with. Did it move? Okay, let's see. Let's go with lead. I mean, it should be rubber, so we should just go with rubber. Rubber. Let's see what's having rubber. Let's see what kind of man. Let's just go with this one, not the gloss. Okay, so now we change to a different color, just so you can see a little bit better. And then if it helps you, on this right here, this square that I'm clicking right here, has a drop down option. So I'm gonna use one of the ones that look like one of those boxes that look like a wire type of scenario. Because you have different ones. They're called shaded with edges, shaded, hidden lines removed, hidden lines visible, and wireframe. So I don't know if you can see it because sometimes it doesn't show. So going back to this. Alright, so now we have created our outer circle. Just click on any surface, then make it perpendicular normal to. And we're going to create a sketch on this one. Go ahead and circle because we're going to do a cutout. Okay, a cutout. Make sure that the circle is concentric. Alright, so now we're doing this. It's going to be a 79 millimeter. Oh, where did I think I pressed it here. I shouldn't have been there. Yeah, no. So, I'm going to cancel it. Did it let me do it? Okay, 79 here. Because you have to have a reference. So you have this, and then now we go to features again, and then we're going to do extruded cut. And we're going to do it through all, okay? And then press OK. And then now you have your custom ring. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. And then for that part, you would just save it and be done with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and close all this. Yes, I'm not gonna save, don't save. And we're gonna start fresh from this one. So start new part. Just like I have a new window. And we're gonna go get your units to millimeters, grams, seconds, sketch, sketch, top plane, get your circle, and then now you have this. So now you see how that form happened. And then I'm gonna get a different circle. All right, cool. And then we said that the dimensions were 85. Okay, 85 to 9. And you can see that now our sketch is fully defined. So we're gonna go to the boxes shoot part and go ahead and put 4.3 and let's see what we get. There you go. And this one is different because we didn't change the color. So we can also sorry about that. We can also go to edit material and then since this is gonna be rubber, we can pick any type of rubber. Well, you can also do research on any rubber that you like. We're just gonna go with silicone rubber. Just apply it and voila. So now you have this. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and save this part. And then we're gonna call it uh, piston 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 ring and then save it. So now we have saved it. Now we're done with this part. The next part that we're gonna do, we said it was gonna do the piston pin. And right there we can learn something new. We learned about the fillets last one. About the fillet, now we're gonna learn about the chamfer. So part millimeter grams. Remember you always gotta stay consistent with the units. Because then if you send some parts or some sketches or some drawings to the manufacturer and then they do the parts differently and then they don't come up to what they're supposed to be at, it can get pretty messy. Yes, sir. All right, so the pin's gonna go sideways, right? So the pin's gonna go sideways. Should we do it at the top plane, right plane? What do y'all think? Just my decision's gonna be just keep going with the top plane. No, because we can build from top bottom. Okay, so this is gonna be a pin. So pin's just like a cylinder. That's pretty much all there is. So you do this. The diameter is gonna be 82. Okay, fully defined. You go to features, extruded boss base, and then this is gonna be blind and same sketch plan. And we're gonna on this one, let's go ahead and go from the mid plane. So on the direction one, go at mid plane. So now, and then go ahead and do 82. And then later on, I'm gonna show you why I did this. Okay. Okay, so we do this. All right, and this doesn't look like a pin, so I think I must have messed up my units. Let me check my sketch. Okay, so 82 must have been not the diameter. So let's change it to, this one's supposed to be 33.8. I apologize. Alright. And mistakes happen, you know? Mistakes definitely happen. So we said 33.8. Okay. Let's see what else, what happened. Let's do the sketch. Did it not go through? Edit. Did it not make it? Yeah, 33.8. That's okay. Okay. And then we press OK for the sketch. Let's see on the bot on the feature. Okay. 82 millimeters. Okay. Correct. Alright, everything looks good to me. Okay, perfect. Alright, the next thing that we want to do is create a chamfer. So when you go up here where the fillet's at, you can scroll down on the little drop down menu and it's going to say chamfer. Another thing you can do is type it up here. Chamfer. Okay. And then click on it. So now it says chamfer over here. And you have different choices of how to do that geometry, but we're not going to go into that. It's going to be too complex. Okay. So the chamfer that we're looking for is going to be right here, a 2 millimeter right here, and then the radius here is going to be 45 degrees. Okay, it's going to ask us what do we want. So we're going to like right here, and then we can select the other one, flip it around here. But another faster way we can do is right click it. Right click, oh, here, right click it. It doesn't want to get it. I'll show you later what I'm talking about. But usually if you right click it, there's a series of commands that you can do to help with this. Okay, but this is where we at. That's the pin that we're looking for. Let's just change colors right now. Let's just make it green. Let's see, gloss. It's okay. I'll just make it green just to be to have something different. Okay, so that's pretty much your pin, basically. Save as, and like I said, it's gonna be a short video because there's gonna be other videos that are gonna be pretty lengthy. So save as. This is gonna be the piston pin. Okay, save. Okay, then you just have created two parts today, and you have seen that there's multiple ways to create a part, just like how we. So just like how we did the piston ring. Let's see if it pops up. Alright, it should pop up. So the piston ring, this is pretty simple. You find two ways how to do it. So I suggest that you can practice whenever you have other cool designs that you want to do on your own time. Piston pin. Okay, and then the piston head. What happened to this one? Did it not save? Did we not save it? I'm pretty sure we saved it. Try real quick another one. It's okay. Alright. So it didn't save, but it's okay. I'll put like a little video clip on this part so we can adjust it and see that there's 3 slots for the piston ring to go into. So that's all I have for today. Keep stay still. Keep, I don't know what's going on right now. It's 5 in the morning, and it's just been a crazy morning. But yeah, stay tuned. Keep on doing your work. Keep on practicing. That's the only way you're gonna get better. Play with. There's a lot of tools that this SolidWorks program has, so I encourage you guys to keep trying and keep pushing because that's only gonna get better. Other than that, that's all I have, and stay tuned. Thank you.